Weather now with Jacqui McLaren. And Jacqui, we've seen plenty of showers and storm activity about.
We have, Lexy, quite an active afternoon, that's for sure. Good evening, Queensland. Well, we saw the showers and storms kick off from around midday, bringing short bursts of heavy rain, lightning, damaging winds and large hail to the Wide Bay, Burnett and southeast regions. This evening, we saw a severe cell moving through the Sunshine Coast as well, leaving many homes without power. And it is important to note a severe thunderstorm warning is still current for parts of the southeast, so do stay up to date with those warnings. As for today's temperatures though, well, it sure was a warm one. Winton took out the hotspot title at a scorching 43.2 degrees. Further south and the Granite Belt had a cool start to the morning with 8 degrees the minimum there. And it was warm and humid in the southeast too, Brisbane reaching a top of 32 degrees. Onto the satellite now, we can see that big cloud band stretching from the northern interior right down through central and southeastern parts, and it is this trough that has been triggering those showers and storms. And that is because we've got warm conditions ahead of that trough and plenty of moisture underneath it. Now, as this trough drifts offshore, the high in the bight will extend a ridge along our coastline tomorrow, and that will bring a southerly change with it and cooler and calmer conditions. However, there is still a high fire danger warning about the interior with a severe heatwave warning for the peninsula. But it is almost the end of the working week, so let's take a look at your Friday forecast now. And in the north, we could see a morning shower or storm from Mackay southwards, but it will clear to a sunny afternoon. Townsville heading for a top of 32 for Cairns as well. Further south, and it's mostly sunny skies for central parts, 29 degrees for you, Miles. Roma heading for a sunny 30 degrees. In the southeast, we'll see some storms and showers overnight, but clearing by the time the workday kicks off in the morning. A sunny afternoon to follow. The Sunshine Coast heading for 29 degrees, a little cooler on the Gold Coast at 26. A similar story for you, Brisbane, heading for a top of 30 in the capital, 29 for Redcliffe. Surfers, if you're lucky enough to get out for a Friday paddle, we've got some fun-sized waves around, so head to the northern breaks for the clean conditions. Boaties, it's a strong wind warning for you. Winds reaching up to 25 knots, seas around 1.5 metres. And looking ahead, some light coastal showers over the weekend with some pockets of sunshine in the mix. But Lexy, it sure is lovely to see some cooler temperatures on the way.
Oh yeah, it certainly is. Thanks, Jacqui. And that is news to the moment. Thanks so much for your company. We'll keep you up to date on our website. Here is 7:30 with Sarah Ferguson.